What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another mocktail series to kick off 2022. Hope you've all had an awesome start to the new year. So I'm going to start a mocktail series to celebrate Dry January if you are doing it. And I would recommend this mocktail I'm about to do. It's nice, it's quick, it's easy, it's simple. It is the Sunrise Mocktail. It is a take on the Tequila Sunrise. So to substitute the tequila, guys, I'm using a non-alcoholic wine. It's a non-alcoholic sparkling wine. Because I got this from Asda for £3.20. It's called Niseko. And freshly squeezed orange juice I've got, and also a Grenadine. It's a 3-ingredient mocktail. So we're filling this up half and half with the fresh orange juice and the non-alcoholic wine. So it's roughly about 75 ml, which is 2.5 ounces of freshly squeezed orange juice and 75 ml of non-alcoholic sparkling wine. Beautiful. And now to add in the Grenadine to give it its name, the Sunrise Mocktail. So what you want to do, guys, is just add 1 drop or 2 drops of Grenadine. The final thing to do now is garnish it with a cherry. And there we have it, guys. One Sunrise Mocktail, as simple as that. Simple, nice combination. How does it taste? Very refreshing, that. Because it's very nice, that. Because it looks nice, it tastes nice. And I certainly recommend it for a mocktail instead of the Tequila Sunrise if you don't like tequila or if you want to do Dry January. But if you are doing Dry January, let me know how you're getting on so far. Are you still sticking to the mocktails? Because I've been doing plenty more throughout the following weeks as well, throughout to the end of January. But do let me know, what do you guys think of this mocktails? Because I love this really tip, that's another one to go to. But there's plenty of fun mocktails you can do. Because that's what I'm looking to do is the porn star martini, do a non-alcoholic version of that. But I've been MixedSid. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid for more mocktails like this. And I will see you guys for my next mocktail. Cheers.